Guten Tag, Abuk Deutschland. Hi, this is Billy. I thought it might make more sense for me to do a quick video to show you the problems I'm having with my new old Atari 800XL so that you can see what's going on. Okay, so first let's look at the monster himself. Here is the Atari. I also have a little XC12 tape drive there. The power supply is the one that I read online has a lot of problems, so it's currently unplugged. We'll just plug it in for a moment. I don't have an oscilloscope or any sort of way to test if it is putting out the right voltage. No idea. Here is the standard TV out cable plugged in to the TV out of the Atari itself. It is a fairly big modern TV. But it does have, here in the back, an antenna connection right there. It says right on it, antenna. That's normally where I have my cable plugged in, but I unplugged the internet cable. And that's actually the only input on the TV where this cable actually fits, so I don't think it's plugged into the wrong place. Let's turn the TV on. So, of course, normally everything is digital nowadays. But this TV does seem to have the capability of picking up an analog signal. So this is channel 2 coming in over the airwaves digitally. Let's go to settings. And then we can go, boom, programs. And if I go to program tuning, come on, TV, wake up. There it goes. You can see that the program mode is set to antenna, which is fine. Now, what I did was I ran through the auto tuning of the television itself with the Atari turned on. And when I did that, the TV found exactly one analog channel, and that channel is channel 4, which is exactly what we would expect if the Atari was putting a signal out. So I think the TV did actually pick up something. And it's funny, I haven't seen, when we call this snow in English, I haven't seen white snow on an analog TV in years because everything's been digital for so long. Okay, so that's the TV. Let's plug in our... Get in there. All right. So that's plugged in. That's all here. And now we're going to turn on the Atari, and it immediately goes black. All you see is the reflection of my living room. Off, on, off, on. So one thing you can't see because of the reflections in the room is that there's very, very faint vertical bars, stripes in the black. It's not completely jet black. I've seen those bars before when I had my old Atari in the US, and it was from just a little bit of the power signal leaking through in the video signal. So I think this is very clearly the TV getting something. The red light does actually turn on, so the machine is getting some sort of power. The other thing I did to test this was I took the tape drive, and let's stick the tape drive into the computer, and there's no tape in there, but when we turn the computer on, the tape is getting power. The thing is spinning. And I can even, I don't know if I can do this without 3 hands, but if I hold down Option and Start and turn the computer on. So that's normally what you would do to load a tape, and I press the play button down and press enter, and nothing's happening. So the OS is not starting as far as I can tell. But the machine is getting at least some sort of power, as we have proof of that from both the light and the tape and the black screen when we turn it on. Just one final thing. Here is a photo I took of the motherboard back when I had removed it from the case. You can see that there is some sort of a RAM expansion board here with a whole bunch of wires that which connect to the PIA chip, and these RAM chips on the left are piggybacked. There's like one on top of another, and it might be hard to read, but it says that it's a 320K expansion. So that's what I know. I don't know if this video helps anyone sort of prove or help you believe me that this thing is connected properly and that there's actually something wrong with the machine itself. Looking forward to further conversation, and I'm very happy to be here in Berlin and working with Abuk on trying to solve this problem. Thanks, guys.